Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is the Gentle Academy. Um, we've been off for some good months now. Our YouTube channel was suspended for no reason, and I tried as much as possible to write to YouTube, and it was the suspension was removed, and they couldn't tell me the reason why it was being suspended. But good enough, we are back. So in today's session, to make it snappy, I'm going to be taking us through how we are going to host our website online, how we are going to make our website visible. Okay, so should you have a website which you want to host online? It depends on the kind. You need what we call CPanel. Okay, so whose every website that's been hosted online, they have access to CPanel. Okay, so now first and first, before we go there, this is a free hosting website which we are using for this tutorial. Yes, so if you need a free hosting, maybe just for tutorial but not for a website, you can come to xhosting.com. Okay, yeah, so I just found the website online and I decided to register, and I'm using it for this tutorial now. So after logging, you register. It's free. Everything is basically free. The URL, the hosting, it is free, but it has limits. Okay, free hosting are not free. Free hosting are not free. So if you want to host your website online, it's better you get a paid hosting, where you are not going to have any limits. But for this one, it has a lot of limits, but it's for this tutorial, so we are going to use it. Okay, so now let's go. After registering, okay, let me log into my CPanel. It's asking me to log in again. Okay, all right, so I'm inside. Now let me head to my CPanel. So after logging into your CPanel, this is how the CPanel looks like. It has different categories. This is the section for the email. This is just the welcome page, so some might not have it. So it has the email section, it has the jetpack, and so on. So in the email section, you have the email account, the folders, a lot of things. In here, you see you can have different email. Let's say, for example, support at lecture.com, something like that. Okay, so this is the jetpack where you have your file backup, your database backup, and some other settings. This is the billing support where you can add notification, although this one you might not need it right now. This is the files. So this place is very important. This one, it has in this place, this is where you're going to upload your websites, maybe website scripts. That is, if you are the one who code the website, if you write your website down, or maybe even if it's WordPress, you also find the content in here. We shall talk more about this. So all these ones are just images. So in here you need this most in file section. Then in database, this is PHP admin which is needed, in MySQL database which is needed. So here we have subdomains, then here you can see the metrics of your website, how the website is going, any form of error. There are just subcategories. So in security, you have SSL access. Maybe if you want to add HTTP access to your website, you can use this, or you can use this, or use this. Okay, or you can use this one. Let's encrypt this yourself. This one is good. Then here we have different software. We have the WordPress package, you have the PHP package, you have the multi PHP package. To select the version of your PHP, it's here. There are all software in between the CPanel. So this place is like a cron job, like a light speed. If you want to speed up your website, you can use this light web cache. It's going to cache your website. So we shall talk about that more. And these are like references, well, that are not much needed. And these are maybe scripts, website scripts, maybe the WordPress, Laravel, Joomla. So in today's session, let me take us through this file, this one. So if let's say you have a script of the website which you've coded, or maybe you've gotten a script from somewhere. Okay, so all you need to do is to open this file manager. Then this is how the file manager looks like. It looks something like this, most of them, and it has this place that has public HTML. So it's in here, inside this public HTML. This is where you're going to upload your scripts. Okay, inside this place, let me do that again. So when you open it like this, you're going to open, when it's being displayed this way, you're going to look for this public HTML. So when you open this public HTML, then you can see something like this. You can delete this. It's not simple. You don't delete it, and you can either take it to the trash bin or you skip. Okay, yeah. So then you upload your script. You can select here, then you look for a script, you can get uploaded. Okay, so that's how the interface of the file manager is. This is the main place where you upload your website. So let's say you want to use a WordPress, for example. So all I just need to do, I need to look for the WordPress software. This is it, Substacklos app. See them. Then select WordPress. For example, now let's say I want to install WordPress. I'll select install. Let's say I want to use this URL. Then when installing, by the way, there's something which you need to take note of. So you need to remove this WP in the directory. Okay, the directory is this place. You get it? So you want to remove that WP. It was written here. Okay, so delete it. Then you check the admin and the password which you want to use, the email which you want to use. You can always change this if you want. Okay, you can always write something. Maybe write this. Okay, then maybe you can leave the password as same, and you don't need to change any of that. This is already PS, and it's as simple as that. All you need to do is to click on install right here. Install. So they're saying this may take 3 to 4 minutes, but I think in 2 minutes. Okay, said congratulations, the software is installed successfully. Alright, let's view the administration. Then view this. Although this is not our URL, so it might not really open. So after installing, we can now check. Let's go to the CPanel. Let's go to File. Okay, and let's go to the public HTML. So inside here you can see. So this So this is the WordPress uh, software which was installed. You can see, so we can edit any page, maybe the content. This is where we'll find our themes, settings, plugin, uploads. Alright, so this is not our link, this is not our URL. I just use it for this tutorial. Okay. Alright, guys. Um, thank you for this. Take your time to watch this. So stay tuned to watch the next video on how we can integrate everything. Alright, so this is just a tutorial on the C panel.